Home Remedies presents
Noise in the ears will disappear. Prevent hearing loss. Tinnitus. Tinnitus or ringing in the ears is a common problem that affects about 15 to 20% of the people. It is usually a common symptom of another underlying condition like muscle dysfunction, wax buildup, ear injury, or a circulatory disorder. If you suffer from tinnitus, this simple little trick may help give you some relief. You will need dill seeds, 2 teaspoons, water, half liters. Procedure: add 2 teaspoons of finely crushed dill seeds to a 0.5 liters of boiling water. Steep it for around 10 minutes until it starts boiling. Strain and drink it. Drink this twice a day before meals for 2 months to relieve noise naturally.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.